Hello YouTube and welcome all. Behind me is a Mcculloch 890. This is a 103 cc's with the automatic oiler with the manual override. This Mcculloch doesn't have a choke like normal chainsaws. This one here actually just has a primer, so you just press the primer and it fills the chamber up with a little bit of fuel, give it a couple pulls, and away it goes. So this chain here is set up as a gear drive right now, so the chain is not directly connected to the crankshaft. So normally there's a sprocket on the end of the crankshaft and the chain would be directly connected. This one here has a gear reduction, so it's powered from the crankcase through this gear case here, and then that spins the sprocket on this side here. The sprocket's right here, and then that runs the chain. So we could run, so this chainsaw has a whole lot more torque than a normal chainsaw would, but the chain RPMs are going to be slower. So we'll get this thing started up. We have older style chain on here, so it's definitely not the new style chain. The new stuff obviously is better designed for speed and stuff, but we're just doing through some lugging through, so we'll see how this goes. And yeah, this is the pine spruce log here, so it's softwood, it's not hardwood. So yeah, we just have a simple on-off switch, the oiler and the primer. So this chainsaw's warmed up right now, so it shouldn't be that hard to start, and we'll cut through some wood. So that's the Mcculloch for you. It's loud as a straight pipe to V8, but it cuts through wood, it doesn't drive. And then Check out our chips here. It's sort of grainy. You don't see a whole lot of long chips in here, but it did cut through, and it's not sawdust. It still is shavings, so chain might not be sharp, but it's on the sharp side, so that's good. So that's the Mcculloch for you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.